Welcome to the Bronx EOC. Today, we'd like to show you how to navigate your classes on Brightspace. First of all, this is the Brightspace space, which is the E version of your school. When you log in, you have just walked on to your school's campus. Here you can have classes as usual, speak with your professors and peers, and do everything you would normally do in the real-world classroom environment, including submitting your assignments and viewing lectures and
I took,
instructions.
the sentence for granted because we've been hearing this a lot.
But we're gonna use now Brightspace, and I will take you to this class right now just to show you about the modules, the syllabus, the calculator, the everything that you may need
When you
for
log in, it will take you
for
to the
this
home
class.
course
So
page that looks
give me
like
one
this.
second. Let me share the screen
Note the
here.
learner resources at the top. This is important. This allows you to orient yourself with Brightspace. It gives you additional resources, showing you how you can go about using Brightspace. Note that you will find many videos here that will walk you through how to use Brightspace. So, if you're having an issue with any component within Brightspace, whether it is completing an assignment, completing course activities, or just finding materials, this is the place to go about finding your training and lessons and materials, etc. Once you have reviewed these training videos, you can log back in to the SUNY homepage, or when you log in normally, you will find your classes listed below. If you do not see your classes, click on SUNY, then click on the Bronx EOC tab, and that will show you a list of all classes that you're taking. You should see one for math, one for social studies, one for science, and one for writing. You are going to click on the course that you're most interested in at the moment, and once you click on your course on the homepage for that course, you will see all the items listed that are currently going on in that course, depending on the course you're taking. Here, you will see everything your instructor has posted in your course, whether that's your assignments or materials you should review, or discussions and so forth. It is important for you to note that each course setup might be different. Your instructor might put weekly meetings here, your instructor might put dates here, your instructors might organize by topics. The onus is on you to review the files that are here so that you stay on top of your assignments and you're able to review lecture notes. Let's look at an example course. This course, for example, has a schedule and meeting link. When you click on that, notice that there is a schedule posted, there's instructor information, there's a weekly meeting link, there's exam info, rules of the classroom, and even a syllabus. So you would click on each item. Let's click on the syllabus, for example, and notice that the syllabus is here and broken into different parts, so you're able to review the different components in the syllabus accordingly. Once you're done reviewing a material, your instructor will be able to see that you have reviewed that material. Note that you have not lost where you were, in the grand scheme of things, because there's a navigation bar at the top, showing you the original schedule and meeting link you had clicked on. If you click it once more, it takes you back to the original schedule and meeting link space. Now, you may remember that the original meeting space had a schedule and meeting link and a recordings and lectures link, and when you clicked on the original schedules and meeting link, you lost this original view. However, notice that the recordings and lectures are now placed on the left-hand side for you. All the materials and lectures and notes from this homepage are still afforded to you when you click on any one of these links, because they now appear on the side. You will also see check marks here if you've reviewed. This is a useful tool for you to keep track of what you have already reviewed within the course space. This course also has different documents inside for you to review and recordings. Clicking on a document will open that document, and the instructor has provided different types of information under major categories for students to review. Once more, note the recordings and lectures link we had clicked on before now appears at the top, because we are now in page view, so you can click on that recordings link to go back to the recordings and lectures section accordingly. Here, you will click on any element that you're interested in. Here is a classwork and homework section, for example, where students might be able to find their different homework exercises. That being said, notice that there is an assessment option here where you can view any discussions in the course, you can view your quizzes, and so forth. The only thing, however, Note that your professors would already provide content for you to review before you do your assignments and your discussions, or any other assignments or quiz. So that means you want to be sure to review those before you move on to the assignment for the week. As a bonus, be sure to review elements like your class progress, your grades, and any other content that is pertinent to your successful navigation throughout your academic semester. You are also able to navigate between classes by clicking on the option here that gives you the Select Class option. Note that you have a Messages option for you to message your professor, your group mates, or your classmates here. Notice that you have a Subscription Alerts option here, and so forth. Your Settings button is afforded to you. Be sure to play around with all these options, review what they do, so that you can navigate Brightspace successfully. We hope that you have a wonderful time in Brightspace. Now go forth and play around with this new tool as you will learn by doing. We hope that this video helps you with a better navigational experience. Thank you for viewing.